Welcome back to Drive Time, your ultimate pit stop for everything on two wheels and four. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that's sparking conversations across the motorcycle world, the 2025 Honda CBR 954. A name revived from Honda's storied past, the CBR 954 returns with modern aggression, cutting-edge engineering, and a renewed purpose in the liter-class sport bike market. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just a fan of high-performance machines, this bike is guaranteed to stir your enthusiasm. Let's get into what makes the new CBR 954 one of the most exciting releases of the year. The Legacy Reborn. Before we dissect the specs and features, let's rewind a bit. The original CBR 954RR, produced in the early 2000s, was a lightweight powerhouse that gained a cult following for its razor-sharp handling and no-nonsense performance. Fast forward to 2025, Honda has decided to resurrect the iconic nameplate, but with a modern twist. The new CBR 954 isn't just a tribute. It's a full-fledged evolution designed to compete in today's ultra-competitive superbike arena. It bridges Honda's legendary engineering heritage with the demands of today's tech-savvy riders. Engine and performance. Under the fairings lies the heart of the beast, a 954 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, refined to deliver peak performance without sacrificing everyday usability. While it pays homage to the displacement of its predecessor, the 2025 model benefits from 20 years of engineering progress. Expect around 170 horsepower at 12,000 RPM and a redline that pushes the limits of excitement. Honda has implemented variable valve timing (VVT) for a broader power band, ensuring usable torque down low and explosive top-end performance. Throttle response is immediate thanks to an updated ride-by-wire system, and a redesigned exhaust with a low-slung titanium muffler not only enhances the aggressive growl but also helps maintain an ideal center of gravity. The gearbox features a bidirectional quickshifter as standard, offering clutchless upshifts and downshifts that make aggressive riding smoother than ever. Chassis and handling. What truly sets the CBR 954 apart is its lightweight chassis. Honda has crafted an all-new aluminum twin-spar frame, optimized for rigidity and flex where needed. Combined with a redesigned subframe and lighter swing arm, the bike comes in at just under 430 pounds wet, making it one of the lightest in its class. This translates into agile handling, perfect for both tight canyon carving and precise track day maneuvers. Suspension duties are handled by a fully adjustable Showa big piston fork (BPF) up front and a Showa balance-free rear cushion at the back. Whether you're hitting apexes or navigating uneven roads, the suspension delivers predictable feedback and confidence-inspiring stability. Brakes and electronics. Stopping power is top-notch, thanks to dual Brembo-style calipers gripping large 330mm rotors at the front, paired with a radial master cylinder for sharp, responsive braking. The rear brake setup is equally efficient for trail braking and low-speed control. Of course, the system is governed by cornering ABS, which is part of Honda's advanced IMU-based electronic safety suite. Speaking of electronics, the 2025 CBR 954 comes loaded. It includes multiple ride modes, traction control, wheelie control, engine braking control, and even launch control for the brave-hearted. All these features are accessible via a new 5-inch full-color TFT display that's crisp, intuitive, and easy to navigate even with gloves on. Ergonomics and design. Honda has taken a balanced approach to rider ergonomics. The riding position is aggressive enough for serious track work, but not so extreme that it becomes punishing during commute or long weekend rides. Adjustable rear sets and clip-ons allow riders to customize their setup for comfort or performance. Aesthetically, the 2025 CBR 954 is a stunner. It sports sharp, aerodynamic bodywork, integrated winglets for added downforce, and a minimalist tail section that screams race-bred design. LED lighting all around, including a razor-thin taillight and mean-looking headlights, give it an unmistakable presence on the road. Honda is offering the bike in 3 striking color schemes: Fireblade Red, Stealth Matte Black, and a special edition HRC Tricolor. Pricing and market position. While Honda hasn't officially released pricing at the time of recording, early estimates place the 2025 CBR 954 in the $17,000 to $18,000 range, making it competitive against rivals like the Yamaha R1, Kawasaki ZX-10R, and Suzuki GSX R1000. Given Honda's reputation for reliability and the level of technology packed into the bike, it offers a compelling value proposition for both enthusiasts and performance purists alike. Final thoughts: the future of sport bikes. In a world where sport bikes are becoming either hyper-focused track machines or watered-down street tools, the 2025 Honda CBR 954 strikes an impressive balance. It honors its roots with raw performance and lightweight agility while embracing modern tech to meet today's expectations. Whether you're a longtime Honda fan or simply in the market for a serious machine that blends tradition with innovation, the new CBR 954 is a motorcycle you'll want to keep on your radar. Thanks for tuning into Drive Time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming reviews, comparisons, and deep dives into everything that moves. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one. Let me know if you'd like a shorter version, a voiceover adaptation, or SEO optimization for your YouTube description.